This is the 1964 General Motors GM Frigidaire spin tube dishwasher, and I can't show you the front right now because I have the lid switch rigged. Where did it go? Come on. Oh, with that little block of wood, it's pressing against the lid switch, and if I lift the door, the wood block will pop out and I won't be able to show you what I want. So there's the infamous spin tube, and I'm going to run it without any water so you can see how fast it goes. Okay. I've got a switch rigged up back here so I can go when I want. Now in a moment, something really unusual will occur. This is where it fills from the back, and there's a gap between the supply line and the receiving line that goes into the machine, and I've never seen anything like it and don't know what it means. But anyway, we have a minute before that happens. So, oh wait, I gotta connect the water. Duh.